for? Four snowmen. What are those for?
Those are
One
the
big
mouth.
one. The mouth. Oh! Gotcha. I remember. Thanks, Lulu. Happy? Happy mouth? Is that it? Oh, how cute! Here we go. You have to show your friends.
Wait.
What?
Can you move that one over?
Which one?
That one. That second one.
This?
Yeah, over.
Over where? Here?
Yeah, so the pipe can go there.
Like
The
that?
pipe can go there.
Have to go here?
No. 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 There. Next to that one. Because see, there's a hole.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait. Sticks for the arm.
Yes, we do. That's what we want to Is that too big?
That is perfect.
Okay,
Nee,
then let's
das-
do the other one, Lu. Woo. Alright, picture time.
No, we don't have the other arm.
Yeah, after we have the other arm.
Are you stuck, Shapiko?
What's that? Yay! That's a huge snowman. I remember when she was small, you built one, and she was like only like a third of it. Okay, we're gonna get on camera. I'll take a picture, okay? 跳舞，我的跳舞。